Murder Mystery 2 at welcome back sa ating panibagong video. Ngayon, ibang account to. Tignan natin yung chat.
Y'all bitches stop.
Ha? Sino yun?
Okay, honey, no need to cuss, okay?
Y'all bitches stop.
Dami may voice chat dito. Try ko magsalita sa kanila.
No, Brittany, we're cool with the Maddie Horn. Just the rest, we're hearing, it's giving supporting racism.
Baka makapirate, baka
Don't be scared.
makapirate.
Yeah, exactly. Don't be scared, honey. Turn it on.
I-chat ko na.
You have that confidence to be racist, so
I'm
yeah, exactly.
recording, guys.
Oh my God.
Yan. Na-stop ko pala yung video.
Mimic, and then, turn it
Come
off.
on, honey.
Sinabi ko na nagawa ano. Ayun, mawawala yan.
Oh, okay. North school. Okay, this girl over here. I'm a
Sabihin
stream.
ko ulit.
This girl over
Sabihin
here.
ko
She
ulit.
be racist and saying,
Eh baka makapiright to sa mga nagsasalita na yan. Tal naman nila. Na-stop ko na naman yung video.
It's like,
Our cousin is black,
No,
so
no,
like
no, no.
obviously.
Ayun ano.
Unicorn
Wait lang.
is the one who is being racist, honey.
Sana murderer? Ay, innocent.
Yeah, so like we're standing on our like.
Oh, and this girl too, because this girl, no, we don't
Ayun
like
na,
her.
sinabi ko na.
Wait, who?
You, this one, this one.
But wasn't she the one defending us or no?
You guys
No,
are
no,
in my
no.
video. Ay,
What
ayun,
did I do?
nagsalita na ako.
Yeah, what did she do?
Ayoko na ulit magsalita.
It was like, it's
No. In the beginning, wait, let me talk. In the beginning, she didn't know what was going on, so she just assumed it.
Ano yun? Nakita niyo din yung black na yun, nawala. Parang shadow lang, pero wala naman tao dun.
Honey, when it comes to racism, we're
Ayun na
not.
naman. Nasa taas lang ng bacon. Nawala. Ayun. Paano yun? Nagkaka-black shadow. Sundan natin to. Tapos siya pala yung murd. Monkey.
Guys, whoever sheriff murders over here.
Hi.
AFK. Whoever sheriff murders her, she's AFK.
Are you sure?
Ayoko na magsalita.
No.
Just get that win, honey. Get that win. It's a free win. Kill sheriff.
welcome, honey. Oh, I was so excited to get the gun. Oh, what's the black now? What's the Oh, are you black?
Buti pa sila nag-ano. Sasalit.
This is
Nag-uusap.
free. Are you black?
That's messed up.
This is literally so messed up
Oop,
because
ano
this
yun?
is literally a culture that you're imitating right now. And as a black person, I feel very disrespected. Like honestly,
Exactly, leave. She left. Literally. First of all, no, like I said, I could handle this on a different app. I'm not like tripping about that.
Wow.
Ayoko na lang.
That's
Ayoko dito. Huwag ka sumay sa akin.
And
Huwag ka sumay.
literally, oh my God, where is that girl?
Ayoko sumay mga voice chat kapag nagre-record ako. Kasi baka makapirate sa mga salita nila eh. Yan na naman yung babae.
Dude, we should have been listening to us order.
Dito na lang ako sa corner. Tara. Gagawa ko ng kanta. Gagawa ko ng kanta. Nini.
She left.
Eh! Iyan na naman. Ito. Tit, titat, tit, turut,
Guys, can you tell me who murdered?
tirat, tut, turu. Ayun, ayun. Wag na pala, di na ako gagawa ng kanta. Baka mamatay na naman ako. So, ito na yung last step ko sa ating video ngayon. 1, 2, 3. Goodbye guys. Kung gusto nyo makita ang aking TikTok account, search nyo JEREMI space tapos official. Tapos makikita nyo yung katulad lang ng profile ko sa dito sa YouTube. Tapos wala pang videos kasi bago lang yun. So bye bye guys.